Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how do you add Hibernate option into your PC. Okay, it's very simple. First of all, you have to open the control panel. You can write on the search, or you can also find it manually in your PC, and the process remains same for all version of Windows. Okay, click on control panel. Okay, once you click on control panel, there you will see one option known as system and security. Okay, so we have to select small icons. We can either go to system and security, or you can also click on power options. Okay, yeah, here it is. Okay, so I'm going to show you again. You can first select small icon button, then you have to click on the power options button. Once you click on power options, you have to click on choose what power buttons do. Okay, so here you will see Hibernate option, but I cannot select this, and when I click on this power button, it's showing me only sleep, shutdown and restart. No Hibernate option is available here. So how do I turn it on? Okay, so here I have to click on this change settings that are currently unavailable. Okay, now I can click on the Hibernate button. See, so now I have to just click on save changes. Now let's see if it's showing up or not. See, now we can see the Hibernate option is showing up, and now let me explain you the difference between these four options. First is sleep. It's quite understood just from reading the description. It means that the PC stays on but uses low power. Apps stay open, so when the PC wakes up, you are instantly back to where you left off. Okay, so in simple terms, it means that your PC is always on power, is consuming power but consuming less power. So the thing is, the good thing about sleep is that suppose you are going for a 5 to 10 minutes break and you want to come back and resume your work, then you can put your PC or laptop on sleep mode, so that you can resume your work wherever you left. Okay, so now, and Hibernate is that it turns off the PC, but apps stay open. When the PC is turned on, you are back to where you left off. Okay, so it means that it's quite similar to sleep, but the only difference is in Hibernate option the PC turns off, it doesn't consume any power. It's good for, like, suppose for at night you are working, and again in morning or after 1 or 2 days you have to resume your work and want to resume things where you left off, like one folder is open or something like that. So whenever you do you are going on a longer break, you can prefer Hibernate button. Okay, the next is shutdown. It closes all apps and turns off the PC. Then next is restart. We all know it. This. Okay, thank you. I hope you like the video.